If SketchUp is crashing on startup, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your model as quickly as possible. Startup crashes are usually caused by outdated graphics drivers, conflicting plugins or extensions, corrupt installation files, or sometimes even a settings issue that's easy to reset. So before you assume SketchUp is broken, let's go through the fixes that solve this problem for most users. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting guides, because I post simple software fixes that save you time and frustration. First, let's start with the most common cause, your graphics drivers. SketchUp relies heavily on your graphics card, so if your drivers are outdated or corrupted, the app can crash during startup or show a blank screen. To fix that, go directly to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer. If you have NVIDIA, download the latest driver from NVIDIA. If you have AMD, get it from AMD. And if you're using Intel graphics, download the driver from Intel. Try not to rely only on Windows Update, because it often doesn't give you the newest or most stable version for SketchUp. After installing the latest driver, restart your computer and try opening SketchUp again. Next, try running SketchUp as an administrator. Sometimes the app crashes because it doesn't have the permissions it needs to access certain folders or settings. To do this, right-click the SketchUp shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If SketchUp opens normally after that, then you may be dealing with a permission issue. In that case, you can also go into the shortcut properties and set it to always run as administrator if needed. If SketchUp is still crashing, the next thing to check is your extensions or plugins. A bad plugin can easily cause startup crashes, especially if it's outdated or incompatible with your current version of SketchUp. To test this, close SketchUp completely and open File Explorer. Then go to the SketchUp plugins folder, which is usually located in C:\users, /username, /appdata, /roaming, /SketchUp, /SketchUp, year, /SketchUp. Instead of deleting anything, rename the plugins folder to plugins_old. This temporarily disables all plugins without permanently removing them. Now, launch SketchUp again. If it starts properly, then one of your extensions was causing the crash. You can then add them back one at a time until you find the problem plugin. For users on SketchUp 2024 and newer, there's another important fix you should try: switching the graphics engine. If SketchUp opens to a blank screen or crashes immediately, go into Settings, then Graphics, and switch to the classic graphics engine. This is especially useful when the newer rendering mode is incompatible with your hardware or driver version. After switching, restart SketchUp and see if the problem is resolved. In many cases, this single change fixes startup issues right away. Now let's move on to repairing the installation. If some program files are damaged or missing, SketchUp may crash before it even loads properly. To repair it on Windows, open the control panel, find SketchUp in the list of installed programs, and choose Change or Uninstall. From there, select the repair option if it appears. Let the repair process finish, then restart your computer and test SketchUp again. This is a great fix if the installation became corrupted after an update or interrupted install. Another useful fix is resetting SketchUp preferences. Sometimes the app crashes because a preference file became corrupted or saved bad settings. To reset it, go to the SketchUp preferences location and find the private preferences.json file. Rename it, so SketchUp is forced to create a new clean version the next time it starts. This won't fix every issue, but it's a very effective way to clear out broken settings that could be causing the crash. If SketchUp only crashes when you open one specific file, then the problem may be with the scene data or corrupted file content rather than the program itself. In that case, try opening a different file to see if SketchUp works normally. If only one file is affected, you may need to recover it by opening a previous version, saving it under a new name, or repairing the installation first and then trying again. Corrupted scene data can sometimes trigger crashes during loading, especially in larger or more complex models. So to recap, if SketchUp is crashing on startup, your best fixes are updating your graphics drivers, running the app as administrator, disabling plugins, switching to the classic graphics engine, repairing the installation, resetting preferences, and checking whether a corrupted file is the real cause. One of these steps usually solves the issue, and in many cases, it's something simple like a driver update or a bad extension. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the SketchUp startup crash. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.